Hi, I'm Karen with RainDance Massage Reiki, located in Vancouver, Washington. Winner of the Best of Vancouver in the massage category for the last 5 consecutive years. Today I want to talk about Reiki Energy Healing. It's a Japanese form of energy healing. It's helpful for many physical and emotional conditions. Reiki is translated as universal or sacred life energy. The key in Reiki is the energy, just like Qi in Chinese medicine or prana in Eastern Indian medicine. So if you've heard those words, that's basically what it's referring to. So basically what's happening is the Reiki energy is channeled through the practitioner and given to the client. The practitioner will lay the hands on or above different positions on the body to facilitate this exchange of energy. Unless it is combined with massage, the client is typically fully dressed and laying on top of the table. Reiki doesn't require any specific religious belief. In fact, you don't have to believe in the Reiki at all and it'll still work. It's an intelligent energy, so it will go where it's needed in the body. So if the practitioner, for example, is strictly adhering to the different positions on the body, but it's not going to, or they're not putting their hands over a particular area that has the condition, the energy will go where it's needed to go anyway. If energy is stuck, exhausted, or excessive, that is when health suffers. So what we're trying to do is move the energy. Same type of thing as like acupuncture. The understanding or the theory behind energy medicine is that trapped or blocked energy in the body is what causes pain or causes symptoms. So acupuncture is moving the qi through the body. Reiki is moving that stuck energy, and that's what's going to facilitate change in the symptoms. The Reiki energy is seen as coming from a higher power or God or spirit or whatever you want to refer it to. And Reiki energy cannot hurt you. It's all about intent, and it's just like someone sending prayers. The energy is a healing prayer, if you will. When a practitioner is attuned to Reiki, they're just more powerful, like they vibrate at a higher frequency, so they have better access to the energy. But since it's life energy, everything that's living has energy and everybody can tap into it. It's just a practitioner is attuned to work at this higher vibration to access the energy and then transfer the energy, which makes them more powerful. And a practitioner, also learns how to transfer the energy and how to work with a client in that regard. Typically what clients feel is a deep sense of relaxation or a deep sense of inner peace. Mostly what people will feel physically anyway is like a really deep sense of warmth. Like a lot of people will comment on like how warm or hot my hands get. And that's whether I'm touching them or not. That energy is always coming out. In fact, when a massage therapist is attuned to Reiki, the Reiki comes out all the time. So that also accounts for the warmth of the hands during the massage. It doesn't have to be, intentionally called or whatever. It's just always coming out when a massage therapist is attuned to Reiki. So what a practitioner feels, or what I feel in particular when I'm doing a Reiki session, is when I have my hands over an area that has inflammation or illness, or there's something going on, pain or whatever, I feel like pins and needles in my hands, kind of like when your hands fall asleep. That's what I feel. And when that starts to dissipate, then that lets me know I can move on to another area. Part of our training is in tapping into intuition. So even though we may be following the hand position protocol, if we feel instinctually or intuitively that we need to move to another area, then we're okay to do that. But then again, the Reiki energy is an intelligent energy and it will go where it's needed. Clients seek this treatment for various reasons. A lot of it can just be stress relief or feeling like, they're off or the energy is stuck. It helps with anxiety, grief, migraine relief, and it supports for healing after surgery. It really helps the body speed up recovery. Like, it allows the body to better heal itself. All of our bodies are trying to return to what they call homeostasis. So the Reiki energy helps facilitate that. So it's really good after surgery. And what I personally find is when I'm doing a Reiki session, the first 4 positions are around the head, and most of the people fall asleep in those first 4 positions. And I think that that happens because the body heals itself when you sleep. So Reiki puts you in this deep sense of relaxation and or sleep, and that helps the body heal itself. So I've gone into hospitals and worked on people like after surgeries, and that's really helped not only decrease in the pain medications that doctors will prescribe after a surgery, but also they're discharged a lot sooner than the doctors anticipate, which is really great. Reiki is also really good for when somebody is contraindicated for massage. So say they have a broken bone, for example, you can't massage that bone. In fact, you can't even work below the site of the injury. But if somebody has a condition like fibromyalgia where they're just too sensitive with the overactive nerves, and any type of tissue manipulation is too intense for that person, then Reiki is a good way for them to get some healing and some relief without having to, subject them to tissue manipulation as in massage. So something like that is really good. It's also really great for people that are in hospice care. What happens in the hospice when somebody is nearing the end of their life, their family and friends stop touching them in a lot of cases because they're having to emotionally withdraw, understanding that it's a coping mechanism because the impending loss of that person. But those people need touch more than ever at that time in their life. So therapeutic touch or Reiki is a way, to connect with that person. And it also helps with that final transition. So having somebody come in and work on your friend or your loved one in a hospice setting is really a great thing. So those are some things to consider when you're talking about whether you want to try a Reiki session or you want to suggest somebody else tries a Reiki session. That's basically what Reiki is and how it helps. So hopefully that answered any questions about that. If you have any additional questions, feel free to put them in the comments. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like it on, I'll post it on Facebook, so like it there as well. I would appreciate it. All right, that is it. Bye for now.